Carolina jasmine is a woody vine that is native to the southeastern part of the United States. It has been used medicinally by Native American tribes for centuries and was later adopted by European settlers as a treatment for a variety of ailments. In more recent years, it has become a popular ornamental plant due to its attractive yellow flowers and evergreen foliage. Carolina jasmine is a twining vine that can grow up to 20 feet long. Its leaves are glossy and evergreen, and its flowers are trumpet-shaped and bright yellow. The plant blooms in late winter or early spring, and its fragrance is often compared to that of honeysuckle. Carolina jasmine prefers well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. It can tolerate a wide range of soil types, but does best in slightly acidic soil. The plant is hardy in USDA zones 7 to 10 and can be grown as either a vine or a shrub. Carolina jasmine can be planted with a variety of other plants, including other vines such as wisteria, as well as shrubs like azaleas and camellias. It also attracts pollinators such as bees and butterflies to the garden. Carolina jasmine has a number of medicinal uses, including as a treatment for fever, pain, and anxiety. However, it should be used with caution as all parts of the plant are toxic if ingested. The plant is also used as an ornamental, and its bright yellow flowers can add a splash of color to a garden or landscape.